Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss on CISC versus RISC. CISC stands for Complex Instruction Set Computer and RISC stands for Reduced Instruction Set Computer. Both are architectural design of the CPU. So I will discuss elaborately on this topic. So go to the computer screen. Today I will discuss the topic CISC versus RISC. Okay. CISC is an abbreviation for Complex Instruction Set Computer. Okay. CISC processors were evolved in the 1970s before the evolution of RISC processors. Okay. During this period, the computer memory uses to be small and very expensive, right? CISC processors were helpful in simplifying the code and making it shorter in order to reduce the memory requirement. Okay? In a CISC processor, a single instruction has several low-level operations. This makes the CISC instructions short but complex, whereas RISC is an abbreviation of Reduced Instruction Set Computer. RISC processor has instruction sets that are simple and have simple addressing modes. A RISC style instruction engages one word in memory. Execution of the RISC instructions are faster and take one clock cycle per instruction. Okay, although the forerunners of RISC computers were seen in 1960, right? But due to the popularity of CISC microprocessors, which were implemented by the manufacturers in calculators, video games, stereos, etc. Right? RISC architecture was overshadowed. According to modern concept dates, RISC computers were particularly introduced in the 1980s. Okay? The main idea is that a single instruction will do all loading, evaluating, and storing operation, just like a multiplication command will do stuff like loading data, evaluating, and storing it. Right? Hence, it is complex. Both approaches try to increase the CPU performance. Okay. Now we talk about CISC processors architecture, right? And the picture just provide here which explain CISC architecture. Okay. The main objective of a CISC processor is to minimize the program size by reducing the number of instructions in a program. Okay. This is done by embedding some of the low-level instructions in a single complex instruction. Later, when decoded, this instruction generates several micro instructions to execute. Okay, and the following block diagram shows the CISC architecture. Okay, the CISC approach attempts to minimize the number of instructions per program, but at the cost of increase in number of cycles per instruction, right? Now we talk about RISC processors architecture. Okay, RISC processor is implemented using the hardware controlled unit, right? The hardware control unit produces control signals which regulate the working of processor's hardware. RISC architecture emphasis on using the registers rather than memory, right? This is because the registers are the fastest available memory source. The registers are physically small and are placed on the same chip where the ALU and the control unit are placed on the processor, right? The RISC instructions operate on the operands present in processor's registers. Okay, and the following block diagram shows the RISC architecture, right? RISC reduces the cycles per instruction at the cost of number of instructions per program, right? Now we talk about characteristics of CISC, okay? And the some important characteristics just given into there. One instruction is needed to support multiple addressing modes. A large number of instructions is there. Instruction decoding logic will be complex here. Instructions for special tasks used infrequently in case of CISC. A large variety of addressing modes are there. It offers variable length instruction formats. Okay. Instruction is larger than one word size. Instruction may take more than a single clock cycle to get executed. Less number of general purpose registers as operation get performed in memory itself, right? Various CISC designs are set up with two special registers for the stack pointer for managing interrupts, right? Now we talk about characteristics of RISC, and there provide some important characteristics is there. Simpler instruction decoding in case of RISC. A number of general purpose registers are there for RISC. Simple addressing modes is there. Fewer data types. A pipeline can be achieved. One instruction per cycle in case of RISC. Register to register operations is there. Simple instruction format. Instruction execution would be faster. Smaller programs, right? Now we talk about some advantages and disadvantages of CISC processors. Okay, so at first I discuss the advantages. The code size is comparatively shorter, which minimizes the memory requirement, right? Execution of a single instruction accomplishes several low-level tasks, right? Complex addressing mode makes the memory access flexible. CISC instruction can directly access memory locations, right? And what are the disadvantages? Though the code size is minimized, but it requires several clock cycles to execute a single instruction, thereby reduce overall performance of the computer, right? Implementing pipelining for CISC instruction is a bit complicated, right? The hardware structure needs to be more complex to simplify software implementation, right? Designed to minimize the memory requirement when memory was smaller and costlier, right? But today the scenario has changed. Nowadays memory is inexpensive and mostly all computers have a large amount of memory, right? Now we talk about advantages and disadvantages for RISC processors. So at first we talk about advantages. RISC instructions are simpler machine instruction. Okay, RISC instructions are hardwired to fasten the execution, right? There are very fewer instructions in RISC instruction set. RISC instruction has simple addressing modes. RISC instruction executes faster because most of instruction operates on processor register and there is no need to access memory for each instruction. Okay, it is easy to pipeline RISC instruction as all instruction is of fixed size and opcode and operand are located in the same position in the word, right? RISC instructions execute one instruction per clock cycle. Okay, and what are the disadvantages? RISC instruction size is reduced, but more instructions are required to perform an operation when compared with CISC. So we can say that the length of the program is increased. The machine instructions are hardwired in RISC, so it would cost if an instruction needs modification. To find is difficulty in processing complex instruction and complex addressing mode, right? RISC instructions do not allow direct memory to memory transfer. It requires load and store instruction to do so. Okay. Now we talk about some examples of CISC and RISC processors. At first, the examples of CISC processors like IBM 370 by 168, VAX 11 by 780, Intel 80486, and also the others. Examples of RISC processors like MIPS, SPARC, IBM Power Instruction Set, Alpha, RISC 5, ARM architecture, and also more are there. Okay. RISC generally refers to a streamlined version of its processor, the complex instruction set computer. At the dawn of processors, there was no normal identification known as CISC, but the term has since been coined to identify them as different from the RISC architecture. Now we just compare between CISC and RISC. So at first I talk about CISC and then compare with RISC. The original microprocessor ISA in case of CISC, in case of RISC, redesigned ISA that emerged in the early 1980s. Okay. ISA stands for actually instruction set architecture, right? Instructions can take several clock cycles in case of CISC, but in case of RISC, single cycle instructions are there. Okay. Hardware centric design in case of CISC, the ISA does as much as possible using hardware circuitry, but in case of RISC, software centric design is there. High level compilers take on most of the burden of coding many software steps from the programmer, right? More efficient use of RAM than RISC. Heavy use of RAM can cause bottlenecks if RAM is limited in case of RISC, right? Complex and variable length instructions is there in case of CISC. Simple standardized instructions are used in case of RISC. May support microcode, right, in case of CISC, but only one layer of instructions is there for case of RISC. Large number of instructions are used into CISC. Small number of fixed length instructions are used in case of RISC. Compound addressing modes are there in case of CISC, where limited addressing modes are there, RISC, right? Reduced instruction set computer means RISC is a type or category of the processor, or instruction set architecture means ISA. Speaking broadly, an ISA is a medium whereby a processor communicates with the human programmer. Okay. An instruction is a command given to the processor to perform an action. An instruction set is the entire collection of instructions for a given processor, and the term architecture implies a particular way of building the system that makes the processor. Okay. I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye.